Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about money making app called Fancy Fishing or Idle Fishing Joy. All I do is it's a basic relaxation game. It's created by Lucky Shong Studio. All you got to do is you get you sit on the boat. You're a fisherman. You have 30 tries in the game and you can use all these coins to purchase boats. The more boats, the bigger your boat, the more catches you get, you'll earn more coins and cash. Coins are used to make purchases in the game for the boats. Well, the cash is 100% go to you through PayPal. And you can earn gift cards for Amazon, Adidas, Google Play Store, Nike, and Starbucks. And every day you log in, you'll get reward, and you'll have cash reward and some coins for every time. You only have to watch ads every 4 tries, pretty much. Not a lot of ads on this one. And it's tell you all the users, and they really do pay users on the gift cards so far because they do have ads that, okay, this person has been paid to their email address. I'll show you a picture. Then they give you a length right here. This is the common in the game. The daily reward is here every day, and you are start at 30 coins. You start at 0 coins and then keep on going until follow the little timer. If you don't collect it now, it's fine. They continue increase day by day, minute by minute. Okay, the strength of the fish will be like pretty much if it's a small fish is worth less. And they have like a fish encyclopedia so you know which fish. The bigger the fish, they're all color coded. Only thing is they don't give any details about like what type of fish it is. It would have been a great learning experience for people who want to study about fishes, biology, something like that. And you can use your coins, like 3,000 coins get you $150 cash per minute. Okay, let's see. The daily rewards will be like this. You get On the third day, you'll get a new fishing rod. On the 10th day, you get an extremely rare fishing rod to get you more coins. Okay, and there's like different levels. Oh, they give you what type of species the fish is, and if you want to 10 times your point, you just have to watch an ad. If you don't, you just hit the collect now. But sometimes it goes straight to the ad, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, and there's like they count by meters. Okay, meters mean going down under the ocean. The locations they have are Hawaii, Japan, Australia, Thailand, Iceland, or Antarctica. These are 5 locations so far. But after you hit the 780 meters, I don't know how far it goes because I'm only on the phase 1 part. So they really do pay you. So the reviews are more higher, 4.6 out of 5. Okay, gain the cash to be I should be like paying the metal is actually only throwing for 5 Alright. See the full review, 5-star review. Okay, it's a 1 star. Some people say waste of time. You watch ads. Yeah, they say even if you cancel the ads, they still continue. So people complain about ads. So nice in the beginning. Some have problems with their ads. Sometimes like stuck in a loophole. So I pretty much mean sometimes the, don't play the game too long, just 5 to 15 minutes. So that'll usually fix the bug problem. Or you can also report it to the company to get fixed. It's rated for teens. I don't know why there's violence, blood, partial nudity, because I have not seen that in any part of the game so far. There's maybe a glitch in the game oh no, the nudity part maybe just someone's. You can put like an icon of your face for the profile if you wanted to. That's it, I think. That may be where the nudity comes part, I think. Because people profile pictures, can show it or not. And you can only contact them through email. Company's Lucky Shong Studio. It's available on the Google Play Store and the Apple Play Store. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below what you think about the video. And share this video with other users so they can start earning money. So they can cash out for some amazing prizes, which I mentioned, which are PayPal, Amazon, Adidas, Google Play, Nike, Starbucks. PayPal will give you cash, and they do have PayPal gift card. So read it carefully so you know which one you're cashing out for. And the remaining are all gift cards. And I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.